Yeah, hi. We are from SOSLink. The project title name is Touch Sensor SafeMate Emergency Safety System for Bags, Women Safety Bag using GSM+GPS with SOSLink. So in this project, we are using one transmitter module and one receiver module. And transmitter module consists of one 9 volts battery and HT12E encoder IC, RF transmitter, and one touch sensor or SOS button body touch sensor connected to the ST12E, and RF will send the data to RF receiver module. Receiver will receive the data RF 433 MHz with HT12E 12D decoder IC. These are wireless communication. Transmitter module, receiver module, maximum distance is 5 meters. Receiver module will receive the data. It gives to Arduino Uno R3. And here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So it is and it's connected to 5 volts, GSM connected to the TX1, and GPS connected to the RX0, and alarm connected to the 7th pin. RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers of 16 cross 2 LC display. One red LED, one green LED indicators, those are connected with the 6th and 5th pin. So this is our total block diagram of the project. Let us coming into the hardware part. So this is transmitter module and it should be fixed in the bag. Okay, so here we are using one 9 volts battery, on off button, and here ST12A encoder IC, and here is the RF module, transmitter module, and this is the body touch sensor. Okay, so this is called as a SOS button. So if you touch the kit, it will send the data. Okay, touch sensor, body touch sensor. So this is totally RF unit with bag connected to the 9 volts battery, ST12 encoder, RF transmitter module, body touch sensor, on off button, and the receiver module consists of 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it's connected to the GSM module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, and here we are using one GSM module, GSM SIM 9800C. So press it, the SIM card will comes out. So you can, here we are using Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Okay, slowly insert the SIM card, it will go. If you press the SIM card, it will come outside. Okay, so this is a GSM SIM 800C with 3G SIM card or 4G SIM card you can use. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16 cross 2 LC display, 7th pin connected to the alarm, 5th and 6th connected to the red LED and one green LED indicator, RF receiver module and RF receiver, okay, with antenna, and those are connected with the A0, A1, A2, A3, and GPS module, GPS antenna, and GPS GY6M V2 connected to the RX. So now I am giving the power supply. Smart bag for women safety using RF, GSM, GPS. Location 00 coming. Press reset button. So LED should be blinking. Then only it will give the original latitude longitude value from the satellite. Okay, latitude longitude value came. Okay. So now it will check for the GSM SIM card. Once GSM SIM card is okay, then it will tell you woman is safe. Okay, now you are going to on the button, then green LED should be on. So whenever the kit is on, green LED on. So if you touch this, okay, red LED on, sending SMS, alarm also on. If you open this, it will give louder sound, big sound it will give. Okay, sending SMS received, message came. Open this, click the image, then open, visit web page, it requires internet. Okay, SMS also came, second mobile now. Okay, here also open, SVS embedded. Now it is also open, it will sending the call alert. Okay, SVS embedded, two mobiles for two SMS alerts and two call alerts, emergency call alert. Then it is sending the SMS calling to second number. Okay, call came. Okay, now it will go for the woman is safe. Otherwise you can get continuous call alerts also. Green LED is also on, woman is safe. Okay, so here is the okay. Then new SMS came. Okay, clear everything. Okay, now I am going to touch this body touch sensor, woman in trouble, sending SMS. SMS came. Open. I am in trouble. Latitude longitude value. Open. Visit web page. Okay. It is sending second SMS. SMS came. Okay. So time is 3:07. Time is 3:07. Click it. Visit web page. Okay. This SIM card is sending the call alert to this mobile number. Okay. SVSMbedded. Calling mobile number 1. Calling to the second mobile number. Okay. This is second mobile. So first mobile, second mobile, and this is our total block diagram of the project. And this is connected to the bag. Okay. Okay, we can keep this, and if you touch it, means totally you can touch it, it will send the, okay, it will send the data. This is body touch sensor. Then it will send the data. Whatever you are sending the data, it will receive the data using RF communication. Transmitter will send the data, receiver will receive the data. It is sending to Arduino board. Arduino will sending the SMS to this GSM module to two mobile number, SMS alert and call alert. So project name is body touch sensor based emergency for women safety bag GSM GPS module. Transmitter kit, receiver kit. Thank you. Okay, first call alert came, and this is calling to second mobile number. Okay, so thanking you.